Sometimes when you're working with graphical functions in Stella, it becomes necessary to array them across a variety of dimensions. In this case, I have by city and product. But rather than drawing one graphical function for all cities and products, sometimes you want to disambiguate it. You want a different graphical function for a particular product in a particular city. So you uncheck apply to all. But now you're left with having to draw in a graphical function for each individual element, which can be a bit annoying. So we've added the pop-out graphical function editor, which you can access by hitting this button in the equation panel. And now you can see here that you're able to select a selection of products and cities and draw in a value for all of those graphs. And then you can select the remaining ones and draw in a value for those graphs so that you don't have to constantly redraw the same function for each individual element. It allows you to quickly reuse the same shape across multiple elements.